Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get money in Abyss Roblox. So if you want to buy the expensive zipline tube or the crossbow harpoon, you need a serious money making strategy, and in here I want to show you where you can get the money. So first, of course, you just need to catch some fish here using your guns and also your tube to help you. And after that, after you got the fish, you can just go talk to the Kraken, and in here just choose to I'd like to sell everything. And after that, the Kraken will give you some money based on the fish that you bring. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks.